Here are some of the best verses from the Gospel of Matthew along with their titles. The Beatitudes, Matthew 5:3-11, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. To the Great Commission, Matthew 28:19-20 Therefore go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy, and teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. And surely I am with you always, to the very end of the age. The Lord's Prayer, Matthew 6:9-13 Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. And forgive us our debts, as we also have forgiven our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. The parable of the sower, Matthew 13:3-9 A farmer sowed his seed. Was scattering the seed, some fell along the path, and they came and ate it, some fell on rocky places, where it did not have much soil. It sprang up quickly because the soil was shallow. But when the sun came up, the plants were scorched, and they withered because they had. Other seed fell thorns, which grew up and choked the plants. Other seed fell on good soil where it produced a crop, 100, 60 or 30 what was sown. 5 The greatest commandment, Matthew 22:37. Love thee your God with all your heart, with all your mind, is the first and greatest command. The second is like it, love your neighbor. These are just a few examples of the powerful and meaningful verses found in the Gospel of Matthew. Each verse carries its own significance and into the teachings of Jesus.